Alright, test, test, test. We are live? Yes, we are. We've been live for a while, actually, I know that. Oh man, I'm excited to continue playing this game. Haven't finished this game in a very, very long time. And today, it's gonna happen. Alright, let me just make sure everything's fine. Testing, testing. Yes, all is well. I approve. Alright. Let's do this. Ah, my back. Finding a comfortable position. And let's go. Resume career. History Museum. Yes, this is where we were last time. Oh, let me check the pants real quick. Gideon is here first. Welcome. 234 points. I have enough to bet 34. Let's bet 34. Toby! Yes, I won.
Care to tell me
Cutscene.
why my library, museum, and parade are all going down the toilet?
I keep telling you, sir, the Ghostbusters are nothing but scam artists determined to throw a negative light on you and the city and extort you for more money.
Hello, Peck. I own that suit in blue.
Both of you, pipe down!
Mr. Mayor, an enormous event is on the horizon.
Something at the museum exhibit triggered a systemized psychic occurrence. Some mechanism we don't know the nature of yet.
No, of course you don't.
But it's feeding enormous energy somewhere.
Something that's now in the process of breaking down the walls between our world and another one.
This other world is crossing through into ours. It started with simple ghosts and animated monsters.
Now it's getting bigger. We don't know exactly what's next, but there's only room for one city here in this dimension.
Two physical worlds can't exist in the same space. That's just elementary particle physics.
We got a glimpse of the other world, Jock. It ain't pretty. It's like Brooklyn and the Bronx, with no Queens in the middle.
Whole city blocks sinking into a fifth-dimensional abyss.
Cockroaches the size of polo ponies.
Panic in the streets.
How'd you like disco to come back? Bigger than ever.
I get it. We're in trouble. So what am I supposed to do?
We need to prepare the city for the
The
worst.
city's my responsibility, not yours. Now go do your job and stop that thing.
Alright, sorry, I like to keep quiet during the cutscene. We've seen this already, but still. I'm doing great, Gideon. Thank you for asking. Oh, I forgot to do something real quick in the chat, in the stream, in the thing. 3, 2, 1. There they are. I like those. I like having those on the side. Back in my day, I used to have chat as well, appearing on the stream, but it used to like cover some of the screen, some of the gameplay used to cover it, and I didn't like that. Not to mention that if chat got weird, it's gonna be recorded on the video forever then. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Alright, this is it. This is it. Alright, I remember what we did last time. We're gonna slime it.
This way, gentlemen.
This way, gentlemen.
Well, this looks inviting.
I'll be at the office watching over a list. Don't do anything fun without me.
Winston's gonna bail. That's very smart of him. So let's go down the very inviting stairs. Let's go. Am I on my own? They're already going down. It's just me. This reminds me of Resident Evil when you open the stairs in the first game. It's gonna get spoopy.
You left a trail. This way.
Oh, look at Toby. Toby's on fire. How are you, Toby?
It probably goes without saying, but this is very strange.
Well, that is your conversation starter. What's strange?
This tunnel network, what could it possibly have been built for?
I was thinking the same thing.
Well, it could just be an old steam tunnel.
No way, Peter. The design and valves don't fit for moving steam, water, gas, electric, oil, trains, not even slime.
What about Morlocks?
Morlocks would hate this kind of ornamentation.
I don't recognize the alloy fabrication.
Gambling does not like you. I like to gamble only a little tiny bit.
So it's not steam, it's not Morlocks, but there's plenty of ghosts.
You're right about that. There's more consistent accelerated PKE blowing through here than I've ever seen. But this is not the origin point. This is just a conduit.
Look at the trail. The chairman went that way. He's running down this tunnel.
I'm staying quiet. I'm keeping quiet because the conversation is interesting. Listen to my noisy neighbors. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just got like 5 messages at the same time on WhatsApp. That's interesting. It happens on my WhatsApp. I don't know why. Anyway, this way. Hey, Swalby!
Question is,
Swalby! Do I keep missing your streams or haven't you streamed in a while?
does it feel
Which one is it?
weird in here to you guys? Like familiar weird? Well, we knew
Something
which way to
here,
go
look.
for a while at least. There's got to be another way.
It looks
around
normal,
this.
but when you scan it,
Trail
look,
leads to the sealed
there's something.
door.
There's a crack here.
Man, I do not want this jerkball to get away again.
Ah, black slime. Let's do this. See?
Yeah, that was a little harsh. What'd you have against that wall?
Hey, Timothy! There's something strange
That's all right.
in the neighborhood.
So far, not too shabby.
Egon, I think this is as good a time as any to install a new
What?
CPS. The Meson Collider is extremely precise and deals a lot of damage, but takes a while to recharge. The overload pulse disperses a rapid burst of Meson particles. You can fire each of them independently. They both work great. But you can also use them in tandem. Paint a target using the Meson Collider. After you've acquired the target, all expulsions from the overload pulse will home in on that.
Alright, we got a new thing now. It doesn't... Okay. I'm really fan of this actually, I'm not so sure. Nah, I'll stick with the regular stream. Let's go. This is the farthest I made it last time I streamed it. This is very intense. This part.
Oh my. So much black slime.
Where?
Oh, it just seems like
it
a lot
is.
because it's alive.
The column, it's flowing upwards.
If you see a big yellow eye in there, poke it with something.
No yellow eye, Ray.
Maybe it already went up there.
The green
Well,
slime
that doesn't
neutralizes
sound good.
neutralizes
Is it my turn to lead? I don't want to jump
the
in
black
front.
slime.
Hello, Chairman. Ready to get what's coming to you?
It seems like there's so much of it right now. There he is.
Kidnapping is a Class 1 felony. We do not tolerate it in our jurisdiction. Get him! It's gotta have a weak spot somewhere.
Oh man, these guys. I'm gonna close it off. I'm gonna close off this.
That's
You
it.
close the portals by doing this.
Quick!
Oh, they're closing them already. Okay, that's good.
That's trouble.
Alright, they're closed. They're all closed. But they shall reopen. Where is he? Where is Mr. Fat Ghost? Fat Ghost. There he is. Take that. Eat my stream. Eat my urine stream. Eat my YouTube stream.
Here they come.
That's how you close it off. It's like the bad guys only want to go after me. I have to keep switching back and forth then. I'm gonna try this actually. Let's see if this does anything.
Aim for the big yellow
Gideon,
eye.
I'm sorry, Gideon. You're losing, man. Dude, this is working.
It's a whole bunch of them!
Is the game too loud? Can you still hear me, guys? Because I know it gets really hectic and chaotic and stuff. Oh, here.
It's a whole swarm.
Look behind you. Find some cover. It's on your left.
Ouch. Hey, Kurt! Hello, Kurt! How are you, Kurt? Nice to see you, man.
Turn around.
It's the playing Ghostbusters. I haven't finished this game! I finished it a couple of times. I haven't finished it on stream. This gets really intense. This is where I gave up last time I streamed it. Like, this is too much. Like, this is too much. But I cannot call myself a Ghostbuster if I'm gonna give up on these.
Get that one in the book.
Bye, have a great time. Come on, he's going down, huh?
Keep it going.
Uh-oh. I keep getting the hits. I don't know why.
Oh!
Hit the eye with everything you've got.
Are there more tubs open? No, no more tubs. Tubs, I was gonna say. Come on! Ah! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh no, ghosts! This is not good. Okay, there's everything going on right now. Let me just take care of the tubs of slime. It's gonna get very chaotic right now. So careful, buddy. Careful, careful.
It's on your left.
Aim high.
Why are you shooting slime? You shooting slime at what? Oh,
Get
this
out
guy.
of here. We gotta find some cover.
Is he gone? There he is. Take that, sucker. What's going on? What's all this?
Oh, man.
It's all about this line here. When can you upload news? Hang on, because I can't read. Alright, hold on. When do I upload new videos? The thing is, I don't really upload videos except if it's like a special video that I'm making, like maybe a vlog, which I don't do much, or maybe those ones that I unbox. Did I get him? Did I get him? I got him! I got him! I got him! Proton Stream!
Nice work!
That's how it's done.
Alright. Cutscene. Hello, Cheer! Hello, Cheer! Welcome, welcome, welcome!
I should have shuttered you fraudulent gangsters forever when I had the chance. You know what? I'm going to put an end to this madness now. Right now. I'm shutting down your containment grid for good. You can kiss off a permanent license, not to mention any chance for more government contracts. You did this to me. And you're going to pay.
You're welcome, you peck.
All right, that's it. That's it. You're done, smart guys. You are done, smart, cool guys. I have the authority, and I'm shutting you and your phony containment grid down now. The whole city will have to pay because of your shenanigans. The whole city.
What? But that shuts you down, too.
Well, so be it. I have bigger fish to fry. And get him off me!
I think we need to keep an eye on him.
You think?
No, I mean, we really need to keep an eye on him.
I noticed how the PKE meter was going up.
You're real heroes.
Kind of routine. As usual, I led the charge.
We're fired heroes. Peck's gonna pull our license.
Get real, Ray. It's the holidays. Nobody in this town's going to be around to pull our license till Monday. We got the whole weekend to stop this calamity and probably half a dozen others, save the city. We got a 4-day weekend. We have time left for ourselves.
Dr. Vinkman, if they start evacuating Manhattan, I won't be coming in on Monday. Catastrophic exodus of the city does not count as a floating holiday. I know. I looked it up.
Did you see that? Yes, it is, Kurt. Yes, it's one of my favorite games and movies of all time. It's fantastic. I love it. So, yeah, the next unboxing video is gonna be it's gonna happen sometime this month for sure. I should be getting Funko Pops soon. As soon as I receive the next batch, I'm gonna unbox all of them together. Hopefully, I'll unbox like 6 at one go or something.
Sure,
Bork!
I could ask what's
Bork!
going on, but then they might actually tell me.
Alright, so
what.
they're all panicking because they might get fired. Poor
Yeah,
guys.
I'd say it's pretty big.
What does this symbol mean?
Guys. Perfect fit.
It's not a constellation. It's a mandala.
I can't believe I never saw it before.
Okay? For 1 minute, pretend someone here doesn't know what a mandala is.
Mandala is like a spiritual labyrinth.
And this one looks like a spiraling system that feeds into each successive node along the line until it reaches a culmination point. Before he died, Shandor must have set some mechanism in place, similar to the antenna in Dana's building.
You know, I think you helped to make that clearer. So this was the gizmo that's supposed to feed energy to the destructor form?
That's right, Peter!
Well, Dr. Venkman.
Well, I had to get one right eventually, didn't I? I mean, just math.
Or I'm just speculating. but it's possible that ghosts are trapped in the system, funneled from node to node, and they get stronger and stronger until they reach the end, and then they...
Look, the first portal, the library. The second, the museum. And the third, the Sedgwick.
And that means the fourth portal must be right here.
The middle of the Hudson River?
Well, according to the mandala, yes.
It may need a little tweaking.
I don't know. Plenty of bodies in that river. Could become ghosts.
But what does this have to do with me? What did I do?
You were at the museum and the Sedgwick.
Maybe you were some sort of catalyst, accidentally setting things in motion.
You're saying this is my fault?
You are blameless.
What Egon meant to say was that you have some sort of connection to this thing, and we're going to go back to the Sedgwick and find out what. Isn't that right, Brainiac?
That's right, Peter.
Alyssa, do you remember where you were going when you were at the Sedgwick?
I was standing outside a room, 1221. Something was compelling me to go in, but I woke up just before the door opened. I ran out of there as fast as I could. And then some jerk tried to pick me up on the elevator.
Okay, you need to stay here where it's safe and where you can't set off any more cross-dimensional shockwaves, hot stuff. Here, read up on the Mandela, and the boys will check out the Sedgwick.
The boys. And what about you, superstar?
I'm gonna have you drop me off near Peck's office. Something tells me he's not quite what he seems.
Good idea. Meet us at the hotel when you're done.
Alright. Don't worry about it, Timothy. It's fine. Don't worry, buddy. Gonna get comfortable because... I'm very comfortable right now. Okay. When you're ready to leave. I think we're ready to leave. Yes, I'm just gonna check the view real quick. It's the same. Nothing's changed. Okay. I wanna be a Ghostbuster in real life. Look at him.
Hello, Ghostbusters. Oh, yes, they're very busy right now. No. For the foreseeable future, they are not available for weddings, bar mitzvahs, debutante balls, proms, supermarket openings, halftime shows, company retreats, car washes, book signings, talk show appearances, or productivity seminars. And they definitely don't do birthday parties. Not at the present time. No. Goodbye.
Alright, let's go.
Whoa. If this place were any more dead, we need a coroner.
Egon used to be a licensed coroner.
No kidding.
It's just a hobby now.
Closed until further notice by the Paranormal Contracts Oversight Commission. Peacock. Entrance into this establishment is strictly forbidden and is punishable by fine and imprisonment.
What now?
This notice is for the general public. It doesn't apply to us. We're bonded contractors for the city.
Especially the Ghostbusters.
All right, heat them up. We'll melt our way in.
Wait, I have a better idea.
Good thinking.
The story is so good. It's so well told. Hold on, I need to check the battery real quick. Alright, we're good.
This is disappointing.
No. Disappointing is the Jets losing in the last 2 minutes. Not being covered in slime by phantom ghouls out to kill us doesn't exactly make me reach for a hanky. Why they shut down? You guys didn't bang the place up that bad last time you were here.
If this place is a mandala node, a few burnt walls and broken ceilings are the last thing that anybody's...
And smashed furniture, broken chandeliers, destroyed paintings, shattered vases, probably some minor structural damage.
Thanks, Egon. My point being that there's more to worry about here than some minor cosmetic issues.
Definitely a mandala node.
If we don't shut down Shandor's mandala soon, most of Manhattan will become as vacant as this. Not to mention also becoming a bastion of absolute mind-numbing horror for centuries to come.
Hey, I definitely don't lay out $2 grand a month for a 600 square foot walk up to live in a bastion. Let's get to work.
So this is the Sedgwick Hotel. They closed it now. Hotel's Mandela Node. We're gonna find the Mandela Node real quick.
It's an ambush.
What? What are you
Get
talking
'em
about?
out.
What?
Wait a minute, wait. I don't think they're a threat. They may only be residual hauntings.
I think Ray's right. They haven't crossed entirely into this dimension. They're just psychokinetic echoes, ghosts of ghosts, completely harmless.
Great. I was hoping to meet a friendly ghost someday, but I'll settle for harmless right now.
I'm getting a strong valence spike higher up in the building.
Alyssa said she was called to the 12th floor. Let's start there.
How funny. There are ghosts of ghosts. Did you see that? They're completely harmless. Possessed bell-bottom jeans.
Go, go, go!
What's going on? How cool. The ghosts of ghosts. I like it.
Come on, kid.
Nothing.
They'd have shut down the power when they closed.
Can we take the stairs?
Well, we can try climbing, but the last time we were here, a level 3 animator took out the bottom of the staircase.
Yeah, that's right. I forgot you weren't here last time, Winston. So no stairs, no elevators. Did you hear something?
Over there. Come on.
I think we're dealing with a level 5 anchored ambusher. Be careful.
It went into the stairwell. We've got it cornered.
What are they talking about?
This is just how a level 5 anchored ambusher lures you in. The manager? What are you doing here?
Ghosts, monsters, everywhere.
There was another voice. A woman screamed. Are you alone in here?
Look, I just said ghosts and monsters everywhere. Does that sound like I'm alone?
He meant.
Then yes, I think so.
Well, I guess that explains it.
Sir, there's no need to fear. These are just shadows,
Did you hear him
echoes of
scream?
actual ghosts. They can't hurt you.
Come with us, sir. We can lead you to safety.
Whoops, sorry. I was looking at my phone. I wonder if ghosts are scared of ghosts.
Someone you know?
I don't know. Most of the old staff knows the story of the Spider Witch, a professional widow who did unimaginable things in a room on the 12th floor back in the 1920s.
What are you still doing here? Why didn't you evacuate with everyone
I
else?
came back last night to retrieve some payroll records, but the hotel won't let me out. The door's shut on me, and the phones are down too.
That means we're trapped now, too. And we have to hope that Peter figures out we're missing. There goes a weekend.
Not necessarily. The 12th floor is apparently the core of this node. If we can get the power back on, we can take the elevators.
If the elevators don't eat us.
Yes, if the elevators don't eat us.
Where are the circuit breakers for this place? We don't have a lot of time.
Breakers. In my office. But the city came and turned off most of our power after the electrical fire on the 3rd floor. There's no way to turn it back on from here.
That's inconvenient.
We've got to find some way to get the elevators moving.
There's a backup generator in the utility room, off the kitchen. It's for emergency blackouts.
Perfect. Let's give it a try. To
To the kitchen. Whoa!
Watch out!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
your side.
Another one. There's a couple of more actually. Hold on. They're fast.
It's on your left.
You hit me.
They keep coming.
That's trouble.
Ow!
I guess some of them apparently fulminate to this plane that doesn't seem like they're happy about it.
Right. Now, let's find that backup generator.
The kitchen. Is it through here?
Yes, just down the hall.
What the heck? Man, where's Ash when you need him? Why? Ah, because you catch them all?
Hello? Anyone there?
All right, guys, spread out. The utility room should be around here somewhere.
In some dark, scary corner.
I know I've said this before, but be careful. I don't think we're alone.
Did you and Beekman do all this when you were chasing Slimer?
No, this is a lot worse than they left it. This is the work of something big.
When you say big, do you mean big?
At the very least, maybe even bigger.
That sounds good. The manager said there was a generator room around here somewhere. Look for a door.
So I'm looking for a generator.
It has to be around here somewhere. Keep an eye out for a sign.
Look! Cadet found the emergency generator.
Look around for a switch or something to start it up.
What's it look like?
Probably like a switch, or something that will start up a generator.
All right, Egon, but you should know I'm keeping score.
What did I say?
There's a lot of water on the floor. Watch out for static discharge when you activate the generator.
You mean to say he could be... The power's back on?
Sweet music.
I'd recommend not stepping in that water.
That sounds like an excellent recommendation.
Looks like that power cable is causing all the trouble.
Get it out of the water, then.
I know this much. We're trapped down here like rats until that cable's out of the water.
How about some slime tethering? Tether it up!
I'm trying to do. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on, kid.
The elevators should be working, unless something...
We got it.
Never mind, let's get back to the lobby.
Haha. Hello, Midna. Nice to see you. How are you?
Listen. What's that smell?
Over there! Come on!
That's it.
Look out, it's
I'm gonna
the
close the
lake
hole. Hold on, because we're gonna keep coming out of here.
Just for help. Where's the bomb?
There we go.
I can't believe I just said that out loud.
What did he say out loud?
I know that guy.
I'm gonna close the hole so they don't keep coming in.
So
These are like
nobody eat
portals,
anything
so-
in here, even if you're really hungry.
Alright, whoa, the chef is angry. Alright, chef, we got you. We got you, chef. Stay here. No. Where are you going? Where are you going, chef? Oh wow, it's two of them. Ah! Chef, don't you hide from me?
It's not alone. Scan it.
Incoming!
Gotcha! Gotcha! Okay, bye, Ghost. Bye, Ghost. Bye, Ghost. Oh, come on, seriously? No! 2 against 1 is not fair. I'm gonna get you. Hold on, let me pick up the trap. I was so close. He was almost in the trap.
Here they come.
It's hiding.
There he is. You are mine. And you're not gonna get a second chance this time. Get in there. Get in the trap. Get in there. Whoa. You're a tough cookie. Maybe you're fat, you won't fit in. Get in there. He turned into a bunch of pans. Where's Ray? Ray? Yeah, where are you, Ray? Ray? There he is. Oh man, yeah, the proton packs are very heavy, so they can't get up on their own. There's more? Okay, you know what? There's another trap here. Whoever's trap this is, you're going in it. There you go. Get in there. We crossed the streams. Did you see the effect? We accidentally crossed the streams. Okay, back in the trap. Back in the trap. Nice. Any more? Any more?
Aim high.
There's so many chefs in here. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. In the trap. In the trap. Get in the trap. Why don't you go in the trap? There you go. It's fantastic. Thank you, cheer. That's not my trap. Somebody pick it up.
Let's get back to the elevator.
Kitchen is clean. This way? No? Is it through here? Yes. Yay!
Thank God you're here.
Okay, it looks like the psychomass has come to rest about 190 feet above our heads.
The 13th floor.
This hotel has no 13th floor. None of the grand old hotels do.
Man's got a strong argument.
We'll split the difference. Egon, you and the Tenderfoot go to the 12th floor. Winston and I will check out the 14th. Sir, if you'll please come with us.
Fine, but stay in contact. This place is extraordinarily dangerous.
I want to find this, whatever this is. Whatever.
Hey guys, a little help?
Well, let's see what's on the 12th floor.
Okay.
Egon, what were you saying earlier about the mandala?
You mean, why do we keep seeing new ghosts?
Yeah.
Okay. Think of the mandala as a city bus line. At the bus station, ghosts or waiting passengers are drawn into the system here and trapped. This concentrates their PK energy, which is then eventually forced through to the next node, or station, and so on until it all ends at a final terminus. At each successive bus station, the station manager absorbs some of the energy. This makes the station manager, or node guardian, stronger, so that it can keep the ghosts in line and destroy anyone who comes to the station to interfere with the flow. These nodes, or bus stations, gather the power used to feed a central point, thus creating a much bigger threat to our world. Does that make more sense?
No.
TTTC. Totally trapped transit company.
Yeah, you were
Yay, I lost.
right up until the passengers got trapped inside the bus station.
When is my performance review again? I deserve more stock options.
Oh no.
I say, young lady, you are full of surprises. After you, my dear.
Well, that was terrifying. Be extremely careful. This is likely to be a point of dangerous concentration. Odd. It's coming from everywhere and nowhere. Impossible to get a significant fix. Ray, come in. Are you there?
Egon, what happened? We lost you for a minute there.
We had a close contact.
I've got some more information on the Spider Witch ghost. Manager says authorities never found her, but
The bodies were hung from the ceiling. They were drained of blood and dragged around.
he says the victims were found in a pretty bad state.
The walls were painted in blood. Furniture was half chewed and crushed and piled in a corner like a giant nest.
She seems to have vandalized the room badly, too.
I don't want to be hung from a ceiling and drained of blood.
I'll tell you this much, I do not want to be found in a bad state or vandalized.
I think that sentiment
Yeah,
is
this door's
unanimous.
going crazy here.
We need to go
Yep.
through here.
You wanna open it? What did I just see?
Ray, come in.
Yeah, what's up?
What was the Spider Witch's room number?
1221. After her spree, it was locked up. Until about 5 years ago when we remodeled.
Hear that? Room 1221. I think that... Hey!
Come on.
There we go.
Greet our visitors.
Ah, spiders.
We're not alone in here.
Watch out, Egon. Why'd you stop shooting your stream? Now this is like Resident Evil. Oh. We can't go through here. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Scan it for the spirit.
Do you want to give me a hand, Egon? Or just want to...
We've got to find some cover.
The chairman sends the little spirits to me. They love me. They make me strong.
This floor is undergoing significant metamorphosis. Ghost World is aggressively encroaching on ours. It's not even utilizing a portal. This is very bad.
My ankles. Goodness, we hardly know each other. What? What are you? No! Help! No, please.
It's the Ghost World crossing through, happening sooner than we expected. It looks like this is where the node is focused. We could use some help. Ray, are you there? Come in, Ray. Looks like it's up to us. Let's find 1221
Oh,
and
come
finish
on.
this.
Oh, we're on our own. Nothing. Can't go through here.
swarm.
I think it's easier to shoot the bows on darts.
Let's keep
Yeah,
moving.
it's easier. Whoa!
Multiple contact. You hit me.
Get out of the way, I won't hit you. But at least you don't have to deal with molded.
1220.
I don't know what these are, but...
1222. No 1221. Where is it? 1221 has to be here.
Look at this.
Never
It's here.
trust the naked eye in this work. I'm
I need to cut. Yeah, probably have to slime it so it's unhidden. Hold on.
good thinking. It was
See?
here all along.
I knew it.
Well, this looks inviting.
Hello? This was the bedroom then. Where she did her spider stuff. Egon, you don't want to come in? You're scared? Oh, it's alright, man. That's why I'm here.
I don't like the look of this, but we've run out of options.
Come to me, little man. Don't be afraid.
We aren't alone.
Alright. Boo, I lost Toe. I want to keep Toby company, that's why.
Which ones are these? These are not mine.
Are you following me, Egon? Okay, good.
Everyone here is mine. The quiet man, the angry man, the hungry.
I don't think we're still in the hotel. I don't think we're no longer in the hotel.
Now you are here, and that means you are mine.
Okay, we've got two paths. I'm gonna take this one. Ooh, I saw something.
This won't hurt a bit. You're going to feel a tiny
Knight in shining pro.
Not alone, we're watching. You're watching me. Somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy.
Don't be shy. I don't like shy boys.
I don't know where to go.
See if you can pick up a signal. Heads up!
Oh, that's her. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna switch to the stasis tree. Where is she? She's very fast. Oh, come on. Seriously?
Hey, I'm on your side.
I don't think I'm slowing her down. Ah!
To the right.
You know what? Switching back to... I'm gonna switch to these, see what happens. Interrupt?
It's growing stronger. Don't let
How?
it power up.
Where's she feeding? What's she doing? Ah, there she is.
Blast it!
Okay. I'm gonna switch to my Proton stream. Interrupt her feeding again.
Don't let it recharge.
Where do we go? Where is she? Where are you?
Whoa! Gotta move!
Where'd you go? Whoa. Our health is back. Uh-oh. Hey, Julian! Welcome, Julian! Oh, there it is. She took off again. Now, where do I go?
It's growing stronger.
She's somewhere feeding and regaining health. I don't know where.
Get out of here.
Where she is? But she regained her health already. Uh-oh.
You're almost there. Look behind you. Quick, scan it for the database.
Let's do it real quick.
Ow!
I did it. Okay.
Hey, watch! Wanted streams are crossing. To the right.
Ah, there she goes again.
Don't let it power up.
Where is she? There she is.
Blast it.
Where are you?
Silly men. Come, play with my bones.
Okay, this doesn't look good.
Multiple contacts.
Ouch.
That's trouble.
Alright, got her.
Look, the mandala map. Ray, Winston, come in. You there?
Egon, what happened? You all right?
The recruit found the 13th floor and we shut it down. PKE levels are back to acceptable parameters. This node of the mandala is fully neutronized.
All right. Where are you? We went back down to the 12th floor and couldn't find anything. Everything seems pretty normal.
Looks like we're back in the Ruby Ballroom. We'll meet you at Ecto 1.
Alright, we're done here. But I think we have to go to the library once again then. To stop that node, I think. Or
Egon,
not.
remind me, why are we driving aimlessly in the fog?
The final node, Beckman. Close it, and we seal the mandala, trapping the ghosts inside.
Sorry to break this to you, Egon, but I just don't see a Mandela.
You were saying?
Shandor Island. It's here. It's too unstable. I'm gonna have to drop you guys in circle. If Ecto 8 sinks, we're sunk too.
Ray, since you're the most excited about going to Ghost Island, why don't I just take the boat? I thought I was making a nice gesture. You're giving me the suspicious look. Drop it instantly. Let's get going, because nobody enjoys rushing headlong towards their death more than this fella.
Ecto 8. The boat is Ecto 8. I love that.
The Shandors owned this island for generations. The castle was built in the 1860s. Ivo Shandor used it as a refuge, a lab, and a temple for he and other cult members to worship Gozer.
Okay, that's all well and good. But can someone explain to me how an entire island sinks?
The night the last Shandor died, there was a huge tidal surge, and the river just swallowed the island whole. Shandor consecrated the island to Gozer, and the ghost world reclaimed it.
City's lucky it's in the middle of the river instead of Rockefeller Center.
We're lucky now, but soon the ghost world will continue to assert itself into ours, and the damage will be incalculable.
Just another screwed up day at the office.
It appears that we need to take that staircase to get inside.
Staircase. I don't see a staircase.
That's a big hole, guy. And I am not swimming in the Hudson River in November. So, how do you want to get across?
Maybe that crane still works.
Well, if you could get that from over there to over here, make the world a better place.
Something like this.
Good idea.
Look at that. Rookie moved the crane.
All right, swing it around.
Almost. Work it over this way to cover the hole.
Bring it in. Almost there. Whoa. Great.
Yo, new guy.
Good work.
Oh, new guy. Love it. Let's go. You guys want to follow me?
Heads up.
Whoa! Oh, it knocked one out.
You all right?
What's with you? You know you only get paid if we live.
Why is he not picking him up?
You okay?
He's the one that said heads up, and he actually got it. He's the one that actually said heads up, and he's the one that got hit by the minecart. So funny.
Careful, we don't wear helmets.
Guys, there's way too much dangerous debris falling in here. I've got to take Marine Ecto 8 out where it's safer.
Don't go too far, Ray. If we need you, we're gonna need you really fast.
Aye, Z. Raise me on the horn if you need me.
Now he's Captain Ahab. Be careful, Ray.
Let's keep moving. We'll find a place where Ray can put in to get us later.
This is a pretty place.
Check this joint out.
That's a $3 million view, even by Manhattan standards.
My apartment used to look like this.
Shandor's public architectural style ranged from Federal to Art Deco. His personal tastes, however, obviously lean toward the Gozerian.
Oh, now I see what they mean by early demonic.
Doesn't sound good. There's an open door.
Hey, we know those guys. Look out! Above you!
Attacked us in Times Square. They're gargoyles from Shandor buildings.
Gazebo would be typical pink to know
You
his
bork.
security system still works so long after he died. That's a lot of whatever they are.
Okay, that's a lot of them.
Look out! Above you! Hit the deck!
Oh.
Look out! Above you! You play hardball, Rook!
Man, I love the sound the proton pack makes when it like reloads. Listen to it. The final part after it stops the alarm. Listen to it. It's amazing. I love it. Oh really?
Look, the door's controlled by that chain.
Hey, you're up, buddy.
Okay, Cadet, you first. I've got your back.
Got my back for what? What do I do? This is a dead end. Uh-huh.
Did you know that historically hedge mazes are designed to conceal a secret shortcut?
Well, there's still one crank that works down there. Try using it to open the door.
So is this it? Do I need to turn this around? Looks like it. Let's see.
Let's keep moving.
No? No work?
Egon, Winston, can we get out of here?
Okay. I don't know what I need to do.
Keep an eye out.
That doesn't work.
The door looks like it's connected to that crank. See if you can get it to turn.
Yeah, I tried to do that. So I found the crank. I don't know.
Come on.
How do I turn this? I'm not sure. What am I supposed to do? Hold on, the crank. It's not some other crank that I'm missing, is it? I'm gonna look around.
Kid's onto something.
Kid's onto something. No. Stop confusing me, game.
Keep going. You're getting closer.
This is another crank. Aha.
If I wanted a procrastinator, I would have invited Venkman.
It's not working still. Okay, maybe the other way around.
Wind the chain.
Well, there's still one crank
Wind the
that
chain.
works down there. Try using it to open the door.
Is it open?
That did it. The door's wide open. Get back up here.
Coming. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. I did the chain, guys. You take care of the guys.
That's a whole lot of whatever.
Yeah, that'll work.
I take it we're not welcome.
Yeah, there's a first. I'm gonna get us all name badges that say, "Hello, I'm not welcome," or maybe T-shirts or coffee mugs. Alyssa, I see her.
You and me both. She's wearing just a simple terry cloth robe. And she's brought me coffee.
That's her, all right. Spitting image.
The resemblance is uncanny. This is Ivo Shandor's mother, painted in 1885.
Wait. What? Alyssa is a Shandor?
Why does this always happen to me? I meet a girl, she's crazy about me, but she always turns out to be some kind of unbelievable fixer-upper.
This is all making sense. Alyssa must have inadvertently triggered the mandala because she has Shandor blood.
And she doesn't know it. When I did her profile, she told me she was adopted.
Some coincidence, huh?
You don't really believe this happened by accident?
No. Someone must have known and set this up.
The mayor did say that Peck personally recommended Alyssa to be the guest curator of the Gozer exhibit.
Once a Peck, always a Peck.
You see something's not right with Peck.
Shandor must have employed hundreds of workers for years to build this place.
The supports are waterlogged, the mortar is
I forgot
decrepit,
this
and the
story, yeah?
foundation is
So I'm really
shattered.
enjoying.
In purely physical terms, there's no way all this can still be standing.
You sound like you're surprised.
No, not really. It's beautiful in a horrific way.
You can't deny the pure genius of Shandor. It's a pity that it was all used for evil. If he would have just channeled some of it for good, the things he could have done.
Posthumous black mass.
What? People still worshiping even after they're dead? That's a powerful church, man.
That might explain how these structures are still standing.
Oh yeah, ethereal stability induced by sheer focused concentration of posthumous will. Unbelievable.
Alright, so they just go off. Okay, that's good.
Look out! Above you!
How much ectoplasm can one ghost produce?
That's it. Fully slime. Go!
2 down?
Yeah, we're gonna need another.
What, more of these? Alright, now I need to switch to my slime. It's faster. These guys are definitely handled easier with slime.
Get out of here.
Nice work!
To the right.
On your left!
Oh, should have zigged when he zagged.
There's another hole here.
Back to the other side.
Nice. Alright, anything we need to look at here?
This is great!
The gate opened again.
Officially time for us to...
Black mass. Oh, wow.
Check this joint out.
Unless my sensory array is malfunctioning, that is definitely the place we're looking for.
Hey, where'd the caddy go? Yo, cool breeze. Come on out.
Peter, behind you.
No! Get back! Take your imaginary hands off me, man!
No, there's too many.
Egon! They got Egon! Bring him back here! Kid, help us!
My character is mute.
Okay, you need to get to the others so they can help you. Please be careful. We don't know what we're dealing with yet. But it
I'm
sounds
on my
big.
own now.
When big things attack, it hurts.
I'm on my own. I don't like it. Being on my own. Look at all this lime. That's not gonna make any difference. Don't you dare gamble your points, Gideon. Don't you do that. Next cutscene, I'm gonna gamble some again. Whoa! Heard something. There they are. Come get it. What's this anyway? Hold on, I want to check this out real quick. Hey, Danica! What's this? I don't know. It seems to be broken. It seems like it's calling for my attention, but nope, does nothing. I lost the other Ghostbusters. Where are they? We got separated. Look at the slime of the pool of slime, like in the second movie. I love that. But this time the slime is black rather than pink. So I cross over here. Can I push these in the slime? Whoop. Oh, cool. Do I get hurt if I go down? Can I go down? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness! No! No, why did I do that? No, I have to do it again. No, I have to do it again. Philly! Philly, 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 Philly. Philly wants me to eat chili. Was at the gym sweating and got the notification you are live. You see, you should all listen to what Danica does.
Okay,
Click to get the notification.
Please be careful. We don't know what we're dealing with yet.
I'm gonna speedrun this now because I died because I wanted to try. Can I just speedrun? I don't even know where to go. Here. I'm gonna try to see if I can speedrun. Oh, come on, let me run! Let me run away! I don't feel like dealing with them. Are they chasing me? Yes, they are! Yes, they are! Run! Forest, run! There's more coming. I don't know where to go from here. Ah! Alright, they're all coming now. Now then. What do I do? Oh, wow, 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 I'm stepping in. I didn't realize. I always get notified. Bork! GG, man. GG. So, what do I do now? What do I do? Something like this? No. No. No, it doesn't work. I have to be doing something for sure. There's a puzzle I'm missing. Or not. Maybe just run the other side. There we go. Drain the black slime from the catacomb tunnels. How do you expect me to do that? Hold on. Ah, it was a public holiday in Basel today. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Do I need to pull the door open with the tether slime, perhaps? Something like this? No. Or something like this? No. How do I drain it? I feel like I'm missing something. Of course I am, I mean. Hold on. Try again. No. No bueno. Pentecoste. Okay. Pentecoste. Alright, I don't know how to do this. Drain. How do I drain? I think I only finished this game once, now that I think about it. I think I only finished this game once. Look at that. I can break the statue. Ah, the column. And I mean, vlog is Maltese, so you have to be awesome. Whoa. I don't know what to do here. I'm just gonna look around, maybe I'm missing something. How do I drain? What do I do? I don't feel like googling it. Maybe something like to do with this. I don't know. No. Hang on. Is this it? Oh my goodness. There we go. That wasn't very obvious. Now what? Now what? Did I just not pull it all the way down? Alright. Let's go down. Or not. Whoa! What's going on? Oh no. I'm being chased by a big giant slime monster. At least he seems slow, so he's gonna take a while to catch me. He's gonna disable these portals real quick. Everybody wants a Vloggy Body shirt. Danica. I will make some. I promise. I will make some. Where is he? There he is. Alright. Alright, here we go. Actually, you know what? I have an advantage. I'm faster than him, so... Hey, my friend. Oh. He's making a run for it now. Can I hit him from here? No, it's not reaching. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Oh my goodness, so fast, so fast, so fast. We got him. What? Another one? Ah! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Can we be friends? Aha! Sucker! That was a good fight. You put a good fight. Investigate the sewers. Yes, that's what I'm doing. If I could, I would play the Benny Hill song for this part. Why? No, you cannot. Can I just jump down and go under? Yes, that's what I have to do, I think. Let's keep going. There's more slime here. We go through here. Oh, it's closed now here. So, can I not go through here, please? No? No? There's a door here. Or a path. Let's call it a path. It's not really a door, but... Lock me in! Hang on, PKE meter. Why you want me to pick up the PKE meter? More slime. Caution. Yes, yes, quick, 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 before it closes. Ah! 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 Slime! Eat my slime! There we go. Huh. I think I'm gonna take this way. I think I'm out. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I must be going the right way then. Eat my slime! Haha! And GG. Either this way? Pants. Boo, you lost. Ha! I mean, oh, I'm sorry. Is it this way? Well, this way is closed, so I hope I'm not going back. I don't think so. Feels like I'm going.
Hey, Rook. I'm trapped in a dark place. Can barely move my arms. Can you find me?
Rescue the Ghostbusters. Oh, really? What happened to them then?
I think you're getting closer to me. The sounds are getting louder. You know, I always did like you more than the others did. Keep looking, man. I've got to be around somewhere in here. Hey, in here. Give me a hand.
Hey. Whew, thanks, man. I was seriously cramping up in there. This is all looking a little familiar. Ray would be giggling right now. This must be where all the mood slime came from. Look, they must have pumped it straight into the sewers from here. Let's go find Egon. Then we'll think about finding people.
Then we'll think about finding Peter. I like that.
What is this place?
I don't know, but I'm tired of this place. I want to go out.
Shandor's cult was working some crazy experiments in here. There's blue slime, pink slime, yellow slime, but every ghost in here is coated with black slime. What's generating it all? Where's it all coming from?
It's like I can hear something behind this door. Close this. Close this. Not safe. That's why I said close this, because he's here.
That ghost is ghost. Being dead for 80 years sure hasn't improved these guys' disposition
Oh
any.
man, there's so many more! Alright, we're being ambushed or something.
I'm not sure which one of you champions that trick, but you all owe me a big apology.
There's way too many. I can't handle all of them.
You picked the wrong side, Ghost.
I knew it.
Here to help you now, Izzy. Let's see how you like living in a tiny little box, amigo.
It's coming for me. There's one over there. Yes, closer. Where's the flying one?
Find some cover!
Stay there.
Look out! Above you! That's it!
Where'd you go?
Fine!
Okay, one more.
Run!
Behind me, where?
Look out!
Above me?
Above you! Find some cover! Ah!
You're annoying, my friend. You are annoying. There we go.
This is the kind of stuff that really shows well on your review. I think you're really turning some heads back at headquarters. Man, what are these spooks up to? I get the whole Mandela immortality and power thing, but what's up with all the slime signs?
Thank you, Timothy. Nothing.
Ah, this island's got to be sitting directly on a cross-dimensional portal.
I think I hear you guys. Yes, that sounds like my equipment. You're
That
getting
sounds like
close.
my equipment. So that was the plan of the ghost. They wanted to separate us.
Get me out of this thing. I don't want to be eaten by black slime.
Egon, hang on. We're almost to you.
Thank you. This is going to reflect well on your performance review. In most cases, I find close proximity to mildew stimulating. That was a little much, though. Have you seen Venk?
Well, you know.
Have you looked for him?
Well, you know.
Meter seems to indicate that he's somewhere in this direction.
Okay, more of these guys. We're gonna close the portal because otherwise we'll keep coming out of these.
Behind! To the right! Multiple contact!
Come down here, sucker. Oh no, more of these! I hate these guys! We're gonna take care of the little ones first.
You got a mean street crook! On your
On my
left!
left. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ow! Booyah! That's trouble.
Incoming!
Oh, big giant one! Ah! Ah!
Look behind you.
Seems to be coming after me.
Find some cover!
Run! It's a whole swarm.
There we go. Egon needs some help.
I'm down.
Almost there!
Whew. That's good. Keep working.
Incoming!
Ectoplasmic residue is by far the least pleasant aspect connected with this field of science.
Nice.
This machinery indicates an astounding level of sophistication. Pure evil notwithstanding, Ivo Shandor was far ahead of his time. You know, I have to take my hat off to Shandor. This lab was built how many years ago? It's truly impressive. It's likely Shandor was the parapsychology expert of his time.
Stay in the light, Egon.
I'm trying, Winston.
Should we try to find Peter, or...
They probably stashed him around here somewhere.
Help! Yo, little help!
I think I hear him.
Did somebody call a break?
Yeah, that's Beekman, all right. Now, we're sure about this, right?
We need to be at full strength to shut down this node.
Way to go! I feel a momentum swing here in our favor. Get out there and find the
Thank you,
Mandela
Danica.
node and shut it down. That should really piss someone off.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, I got places to go, people to meet. Can we move out of here?
Great job, kid. Glad to hear Peter's okay.
I'm not gonna bother with the PKE meter. I don't feel like looking for stuff. He says while doing this.
What are they doing? The readings are as big as those at the library when we crossed over. I think it's safe to assume that the machine they're working on was not built for a benign purpose. It's an orrery, a device typically used for predicting planetary alignment. In this case, it appears to actually be aligning dimensions.
I, for one, do not want the dimensions to align. Not this close to Christmas.
That would put a damper on the holidays.
How do we shut that thing down?
The motion of those devices seems to be generating some sort of energy. Hard to tell, though.
What if we tried locking those things down?
I can calculate 54 likely outcomes. We'd survive 3 of them.
That beats our usual odds.
Unfortunately, you're correct. Let's do it.
It looks like the movement of those spheres is stabilizing the interior structure. What if they stopped moving? So far, this Ruby Island has been a slime tether amusement park. Why should that change now? Lock those spheres down, man! We gotta stop those balls from moving. I mean, you know what I mean.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. No, doesn't work like that. Oh, Gideon lost. Maybe these? I think these. No. No, it's not working. Not sure what I need to do. Okay, we'll figure this out. Maybe I just need to destroy them. Oh, it hurts. Does it? Yeah, it hurts. I don't know what I'm supposed to... Hold on. No. Hey, Slim Gamer Man, welcome. How are you? Nice to see you. Having a lovely Ghostbusters session today. Ghostbusters makes me feel good. Maybe I need to get down here. Yes! Finally! It's awesome when you discover things on your own. Come back here. That's how we're damaging the structure. One more to go.
Yes, you did. How come people smart enough to use science always try to take over the universe? Huh? Egon, Ray, anyone? Didn't think so.
Wait, those planets are aligning. I'm not so sure this is the safest course of action. I think we found the source of the black slime, Winston.
I wasn't that curious. The whole room's filling up. Get to higher ground.
Oh no.
All right, gentlemen, it's official. This was a bad idea.
Uh-oh. The room is sinking in black slime. Yes, I'm finishing this game finally. I mean, I have finished it like 10 years ago or something. No, not 10 years ago. I bought this in 2009. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8 years ago. Oh, wow. Okay, where do I go? What's going on, guys? What do we do? Okay, it stopped. And we're locked in.
Here comes the big finale.
Ugh, the stench is horrible.
Smells like the Fulton Fish Market when they've got fish. Wait, I know that dumpster.
A putrid mass of hatred, bile, and anger.
Not exactly Mr. Sunshine, is it?
This is the part where we do what we do. Blow it back at
Go! Get him in the eyes!
Hit his eyes, rookie!
You looking at me? We've got to cut off his visine. Somebody chop some onions.
Giving me the evil eye, huh?
Whoa! Wow, he only shot me. Why?
It's got to be vulnerable somewhere.
Statistically speaking, that's not entirely accurate.
Statistically speaking, we better hope it is.
Okay, fair enough. What about that inaccessible engineer nodule?
That glowing thing on his head? That is its head, isn't it?
I'm not sure that matters. How can we get to it?
Hey, rookie, run around and look delicious, will ya?
Hold on, what if I...
There it is. Concentrate your fire on that node.
Hit it right there. It doesn't like that at all. He's taking the bait. Why are you shooting everything but the glowing thing on his head?
Multiple contacts. Get a full scan.
I'm not very happy with the performance of my stream, guys. How is it?
That was close. Ow! Gotta find some cover. Almost there.
Find some cover!
It's good, really. I'm not convinced. OBS is telling me my stream sucks. I kid you not, that's what OBS is telling me.
Here they come! Quick, get a scan for Ray's database. Ah! Look out! Above you! Run!
What the heck?
The strength is failing.
And that is all she...
Alright.
All the nodes are closed. The ghosts are trapped in Manila.
Right where they belong. Our boy Evo Shandor didn't factor in that he was messing with the Ghostbusters. Ha ha ha!
Yeah, Pat made the same mistake. We're gonna have to have a long talk with him.
Don't forget that Peter's girlfriend is a Shandor.
A very long talk, yeah.
You guys need to get down to the shore and fast. I don't know how much longer I can hold her. The whole island's sinking.
Ray, keep the motor running. We are coming at you fast. Peter, get out of there.
How was it? Was it cool? What did it look like? Did you get any samples? Did it have multiple eyes?
Shut up.
Oh, thank God you're here.
What's going on, Janine? Where's Alyssa?
She's gone. They took her. 1 minute everything was fine, the next it was chaos. Ghosts flying everywhere.
Janine, slow down. Start from the beginning.
Okay. Well, I was a little late this morning because one of the heels on my favorite pair of pumps broke, and Lester's was out of my favorite tea. You know how I love my chamomile. Well, and...
Okay. Maybe not the beginning. Start where things went haywire around here.
Okay. Somebody jumped me from behind. And before I passed out, I heard Alyssa struggling and yelling, "No!" And the last thing I remember was the screams of the dead and damned echoing in my brain.
So either there was a mass escape from Rikers,
Or someone shut down our containment grid again.
Again?
Just like Peck threatened to do.
It's funny. I always knew that Peck was a pencil-necked bureaucratic prick. But I never pegged him as an evil occultist.
But where did he take her?
And where are all the ghosts? Cause, no offense, but if all the ghosts we've ever caught just escaped, I'm clocking out.
Yeah, they would be awfully mad at us.
Exactly. It's generally a bad idea for the guards to hang out in the cell blocks just after a prison break.
This just in. As authorities continue to supervise the Thanksgiving evacuation of Manhattan, increasingly powerful tremors are rocking Central Park. The question is, where are the Ghostbusters?
Tell you what, kind of a nice day. Why don't we go to Central Park? Could round up some ghosts, save the girl, get back in time for a nap.
Okay, the Ghostbusters ride again.
Okay, how are you, Mac Knight? Sorry I didn't greet you, but I like to stay quiet during cutscene.
Oh, hi.
Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restart OBS real quick. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Hang in there, alright?
They start evacuating
Hang
Manhattan.
in there.
I don't plan on coming in on Monday, and he says...
What?
He says, I've already
What?
used all
What?
my
What? 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 What?
holidays
No, I'm not gonna
to
restart
play.
OBS. What's
I tell
that?
him, Dr. Venkman, catastrophic exodus of the city doesn't count as a floating holiday.
What the heck?
No, it doesn't. I looked it up. So he hands me the employee
Guys, is
handbook,
nobody gonna
tells me
acknowledge the
what's
fact that we've
in,
got walking pants around here?
what isn't
Oh, and if I had to come back as a ghost, that's what I would look like.
Pencil. He wrote it in when he asked me to get it.
Look, man.
Anyway,
Pants.
I can take a half day.
It's just pants.
All right. Bye.
Pants. They're just pants. That is so awesome. Alright, I'm gonna try to restart OBS. I don't know if it's gonna make any difference, honestly, but we'll see. We shall see. Hold on. Well, just the moment I was going to restart OBS, it's starting to come back and better. But I'm gonna restart it anyway. Hold on.
I am not schlepping out to Brooklyn to Philadelphia or God knows where every time someone needs
Okay, just
fresh
restart it.
coffee.
Let's see if it stays. Let's see if it... No, I don't think it's gonna stay. I think it's the
Right.
upload speed that's acting up. I don't know. We'll see.
Thank
And
you.
we're back. Let's go.
Goodbye.
Well, they're all looking at the... What?! Oh my goodness. It's all about pants. What's up, pants? Let's go. That's so funny. The theme of my channel is pants, and pants are...
Just once. I wouldn't mind running with these other fools away from the trouble.
Where's the fun in that?
Any guesses on where we'll find Peck and Alyssa?
Did you see what he did? Alright.
I suspect that we're going to need the Super Slammer up there. No telling how powerful Peck has grown.
That means we gotta take the Ecto-1. I'll drive.
Maybe the trainee should drive. Nah.
Thanks, Winston. Any ideas? Junior's pretty spry, even with that 100 pounds of proton accelerator.
Ow! That was ow there.
Make your way around to the other side and open this gate for us.
So it seems like I have to open the gate so that I can drive the Ecto-1 inside. Alright. No, the game didn't end. Well, we're close to the end now.
Wow. Look at the storm system building above that tower.
Remember the last time we saw that kind of atmospheric disturbance?
That's right. At Dana Barrett's building the night she turned into a ghost.
Whoa. Have you ever seen this game, Mac Knight? I'm curious. Tell me. Nice.
I don't get it. We shut down the Mandela. How can all this still be happening? In the
Gozerian Codex, it's written that a blood sacrifice and a tremendous amount of spiritual energy are needed to generate the Supreme Destructor form.
A destructor form? Again?
Heck probably couldn't draw sufficient
Can I
energy
get a
from the
what,
Madonna
what?
before we shut it down. He found an alternate source in our containment unit.
The energy of the escaped ghosts from our grid might be enough to produce a cross-dimensional event in itself.
Yes, and with Alyssa here, I'm sure her Shandor ancestors aren't far behind.
This is the way I came from. I think. Is it? Yeah, it is. La Campana! Where's everyone going? Bingo? Whoa! Nice. Is this a dead end? Oh, okay.
Earthquakes. Great. Could plague, pestilence, and death be far behind? I'd bet on it.
I'm using the Proton stream as a torch. As a flashlight. Oh, hello. Come on. Okay.
Speed it up there, Tiger. Yeah, we don't want to stand here all day.
Yeah, you missed the floating pans. They were like haunted pans. They're just walking around. It was hilarious.
Boss, you all right? How's that gate coming?
Well, it says gate control, but I don't see the controls. Maybe over here? Nope. I don't get it. Oh, you're leaving? Alright, yeah, I just realized it's 10 PM here. Woo! Alright, have a good night. Good night, Danica. Thank you so much for hanging out. Take care. Sleep tight. Alright, so what do I do? something like this. Something like this. No. Gate control. Oh, there it is. Is this it? This is just a sign. There's a valve here. I honestly don't get it. I'm destroying everything in the hopes that there may be something hidden, I don't know. I don't get it. What am I supposed to do? It's just a sign. There's like this little thing here. No. What? I don't get it. I don't know. Come on, what am I doing wrong? Wasn't it down already? I don't get it.
I'll go with the intern. Nobody should wander around alone in this place. We'll meet you guys a little further on.
Did you see that? Something walking up there. It's a giant thing, golem-like. Whoa.
They aren't very happy about us being here.
Yeah, Resident Evil zombies.
You saw them too, didn't you? They think they're sneaky. Let's spread out and flank them.
Could be trouble. That's the stuff. Run!
Hey, look what I got. Hey, look what I got. Look what I got.
Get out of here! Run! One more in the box. Ow! Stand clear! Stand clear! Run for it!
Gotcha.
Ow! Now that hurt. Find some cover. You own that creep. Scan it for the god now. Don't quit. Wham!
Oh, come on.
You're not gonna leave them all for me, are you? Now that hurt. Up there!
Try to get this one in.
It's not alone! You made him sweat, though. Wham!
Ah! Stupid. Oh. I took off.
Ooh, painful. Ah, work. Above you! Try haunting that box for a while.
Alright, are we done? Let's go. Yes? Go. Where do we go? Nope.
We better get a scan.
Where is it? Where is the exit? Oh, there it is.
Keep it up, Spooky. Up there! Run for it! Oh, great. I'm gonna need another iron shower. Oh, slimed again. You've stirred up a hornet's nest, kid. Up high. Ow!
Right, we got it.
They felt that one in Pittsburgh. Just missed me. Lights in their eyes, kid. It's on your left. Crossing the streams is technically a fireable offense, Junior.
I'm not doing well.
I'm on your team. Keep it going. Hey! Run!
3, 2, 1. You're almost mine. Where'd he go?
It's not alone. Run! Bang! On the right. Watch it. Jump out of the way. Find some cover. Ow! Bang! Watch out, would you? We've stirred up a hornet's nest, kid. Ooh.
There's the ghost over there. I want to catch him. There we go.
I'll bring him in. All yours. Kapow, creep. Yeesh. And Stance does it again. Oh man, that stings.
Where's this other ghost here? It's annoying me, the fat one.
Above you.
Gotcha! Come here.
All yours. Kapow, creep. Run a full scan. Right where I wanted you.
Whoa!
All right, Youngblood, it's all you. It's on your left. The kid has some game.
I don't know which way.
Use your PKE. Solid. Send them back where they came from. Not me, them. Never saw one hit him. Up. There's the key. It's too heavy to carry ourselves. Get it back to the gate so we can keep going. You've got him on the ropes.
Why can't I move it? There we go.
Take a scan, would you? Check your aim!
Move out of my way, please. Yeah, get out of my way. Hold on, let me check where the door is first. Oh. Oh no, this is not good.
Scan him, he's not the guy.
Oh man, the stupid corner.
It's on your left. Don't stop. Hold on.
Alright, so I'm gonna check where the key is. Where I need to put the key. Is it here? Yes, it's here. Okay. Coming! Get out of my way, Ray. This is not the key. This is the key.
Try to pick up a signal, see what's here. That's not friendly.
Okay. Let's take the long way around. GG.
Wait a minute. Oh, I get it now. This has been bugging me. When the necromantic shockwave summoned Gozer back to our plane, why didn't he assume a more effective destructor form immediately? I mean, the Marshmallow Man is scary, sure, but there has to be a better way to destroy the world. It's simple. When he enters our plane of existence, he must be locked into that form from our first encounter. One destructor form per god per dimension. I like it. Sounds like the kind of symmetry these things tend to operate on. Hey, so maybe I didn't choose such a bad destructor after all, huh?
How cool. Tortle has arrived! Hello, Emily. Speaking of Tortle, I want to play a Ninja Turtles game one of these days. How are you, Emily?
Look, up there. It's getting worse.
And thank you for the retweet. Retweet.
This isn't the Central Park I'm used to.
I can't speak.
You still have your wallet?
Find the other Ghostbusters. Where are you, Ghostbusters? Look at Ray. Investigating. Whoa. What's that sound? I'm doing great. I finished work early today, like 3:30 in the afternoon. Then I took a nap. And then stream. Ooh, look at that. La Campana!
That means one of two things. Either we're in trouble or we're...
Either we're in trouble or we're dinner.
Is there a difference? Hey, we ever tested proton packs in the rain?
That's what the recruit is doing right now.
Great! Wait a minute. I'm wearing one too.
That's true, Ray. How's it going so far? Do you smell any burning or experience any painful tingling?
You'll be the first one to know. Or the second.
Man, the dialogue is fantastic.
Airstrike! Take those
There they
flyers
are.
out!
Oh, come on, zombies, or whatever they are. I want to get this guy. I want to get that guy over there. Hold on, let me take off.
They're coming out of the
Go
ground!
once first. I want to get that guy. That guy is mine. The
We've gotta
fat guy
smash
is
the
mine.
bombers while they're airborne. Otherwise, we have to deal with these.
Come on, almost got you. And I got you.
They ain't all graceful.
Get in the box. Get in the trap. Come on. Come on. Haha. Whoa.
On the right.
On the right. Help me, please. Help, please. Is there somebody else? The music's still going. And this looks like Central Park. Are we in Central Park?
Look behind you.
What? Behind me what? Stop trolling me, Ray. Where do we go?
See what's here.
What do we do? Where do we go? Up here. Whoa, you're kidding me.
Not me, them.
Shut up, Ray. I'm the only one doing something right now.
It's on your left.
There we go. GG. Oh, what? I thought I killed him. Okay, I didn't know he did. Alright. Another one? Yes, Ray, come help. like I've been here already. We have been here already. Ray, we're going around in circles. Ray.
Wow, very impressive. I'm on your team.
There we go.
Whites in their eyes, kid. Turn around. You got it. Solid. Send them back where they came from. Solid, kid. Hey, here. Come on. We're close.
Now what?
Come down here and say. Ooh, right in the bread basket.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna go down, I think. I'm going down, I'm going down.
Behind something.
Cornered. Oh no, Ray's in trouble.
They got me, they got
There's
me.
even ghosts. Okay, I'm gonna take care of the big guy first. Once the big guy goes down, we'll take care of the ghosts. Alright.
Look behind
What behind me? What? These guys?
you. Rang his bell, cadet. Just don't do it.
Get one out of the way or something. Come on.
Up there.
I think he got running away. Come on, I got you. I got you. I got you. Get in the box. Get in the trap. 1, 2.
Ankle. Get out of here.
That's 1.
Up high.
2. Come with me.
Run. You own that creep. Ankle.
Two. And that's 3.
That's a nice start. Up there. Now that hurt.
Come on. Get in there. Alright. And that's the last one.
That hurt.
Come on.
Bravo.
Help me, Ray. Help me, Ray. I love it when you crap when you trap. I love it when I crap too. I love it when I trap the last ghost and it goes really quiet afterwards. I love that.
Well, hello there.
Ray, you guys all right? Man, there ain't nothing dead in this grave.
Thanks for joining the party.
They're throwing everything they have at us to stop us from getting to that mausoleum.
That's as far as I can go. You guys got a clear path for me.
Ray, readings here are extremely unstable. Energy from the mandala and the escaped ghost is building up to a flashpoint. We don't have much time.
Not me, them.
What do we do now? Hey, Levy! Welcome! Nice to see you. Welcome, buddy. So what do I do? What do we do now? You can open the gate, Ray, or something? No? No? What do I do?
Yeah, that's good. Thanks. Rolling
The
on.
game just leaves me hanging. It doesn't really instruct me what I need to do.
Well, I guess we're going in there. We don't have a lot of choice.
I'm gonna use the proton stream as a source of light.
Graves
As a
pushing up
flashlight.
through here really did a number on this place. Walter Peck is going to have a lot to answer to from the city parks department. If we can prevent the apocalypse.
So, Vloggy, where are you playing this game? I'm on the beach right now. At home, on my couch. Like, not in front. I'm not in front of my computer, if that's what you mean. Like, well, I do have a computer, of course, but my point is not in that room where you see the picture behind my back, the mirror. Whoa, 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 whoa! Enough talking.
How much ectoplasm can one dose produce? Make a hole! Oh man!
What's all this? Why are so many?
Could be trouble.
Check your aim. I'm out of here, man. They're gonna keep coming.
On the right! Run!
Maybe I should switch to slime as well. Yeah, actually, slime is better. Okay.
Find some cover.
It's faster. Harder, better, faster, stronger.
Scan it for the guide now.
Okay, and now that I switch to slime,
Watch it. I like your style, kid. Ooh, right in the bread basket.
I switch to slime, and then he switches to
On the right.
that kind of thing, like the blue things. Ah, what platform? Oh, sorry. This is on PS3. I think this only came out on PS3, PC, and Xbox 360 back in the day. This came out in 2009. It's a beautiful game.
Clear out those roots.
Ray is helping me now. You see, when I'm playing PS3 or PS4 games, I'm usually on my couch in the living room. When I'm playing games off my PC, I'm in the room with the face cam on. So for the time being, you won't be seeing face cam while I'm playing PS3 or PS4 games. That's how it is. Yeah, no, Battlefront 2009. You should see it in the light. It's very dark right now, but you should see it in the light. It's amazing. Such a good engine. Oh no! Switching to slime. That's why they keep coming, because I didn't close the hole earlier.
For what it's worth. Let's head back to the surface.
Yo, new guy.
We've tried everything. This metal is psychonically charged, rendering it effectively indestructible. Well, in such an extreme situation, I suppose it's possible to cause it harm, but I don't think anything we have is going to make a dent in it.
Then what's our plan?
Ray, you two check out that side.
I think I'm picking up something odd here. What's your take on this? An indestructible gate attached to a damaged frame. A few concussive hits and the hinges might just break loose.
12 o'clock high.
What's going on? Whoa!
They're too well protected. Our energy streams aren't going to hurt them.
Peter, go quick. The only hope we have is to stay alive and keep them away from the Echo.
Alright, time to slam them.
wholeheartedly agree with Rick.
More precisely, their little stone engine is capable of attaining speeds of 198 feet per second before they hit their targets, which is us.
Kamikaze ain't it? Man,
Oh no! Help me, please!
Particle throwers aren't doing anything.
Hey, Red!
Tether them and smash them into something.
Red! Okay, switching to slime again. Whoa, 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 whoa!
That's it!
Oh, man!
Looks like a good place for slime feathering.
This, hang on, let me finish this part and I'll tell you exactly what's going on! Ah! Help me, Ray! Ray, help me before you go down too! Help me, Ray! Oh my goodness, he's gonna go down too.
Hook them together.
If he doesn't help me up and he dies, we're done. Okay, good. So, basically, this is a continuation of the first two movies.
How about some slime
Not now.
tethering?
Alright, they're gone. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's good. Keep working.
The kid's on to something.
One of them went off. I don't know what this is. Oh man. Yeah. So yeah, this is like the third movie basically. It's written by the same writers, obviously. Dan Aykroyd and Harold Ramis. They're voiced by the same people, all of them.
Aim high.
Oh my goodness. This is not looking good. It was on the Wii, but no, it doesn't count. The Wii version doesn't count. It was a dumbed down version. It was a mess. It doesn't look anything like this on the Wii.
Aim high. Look behind you.
Yes, it is a sequel to the movies. In fact, you might not understand what's going on if you're not familiar with the movies. Because there's so many references. Oh my goodness. It's getting messy here, huh? Why are they saying slime tether? It has nothing to do. I'm just shooting these guys.
Aim high.
Thanks for joining the party.
I think we're getting close.
Look, if I stand in front of the... Listen.
Hey guys, a little help? I bet we could pull these gates down too. Hey Ray, we got a chain or a winch for this thing?
I didn't plan for a fun-filled day of off-roading with Ecto-1, so no.
The tether might prove useful here.
They played the siren at you. Anyway, yeah, so this was like the third movie that never happened. So it came in video game form. A lot of effort was put into this game. So much. The same writers, the same voice actors. They actually hired the actors to actually scan their faces to make them in game. Look. It. Oh, you just ran off.
Okay, kid. Tether the gate to
Hold
my
on.
bumper, and I'll
Look.
pull it
It's
down.
Harold Ramis. Look, it's Harold Ramis. That's him. There's look, Bill Murray. Look, it's Bill Murray and Dan Aykroyd. They're voiced by the same guys and everything. It's so awesome. Whoa, cursed artifact somewhere. I just noticed the cursed artifact. Where was it? Where is it? I just noticed it for a second. I think I got it. Anyway. What do we do now? Does anybody want to open the gate? The glass. Exactly. What do we do? Whoa. Okay. Well, depends which animated series. I used to watch the real Ghostbusters because there's so many Ghostbusters shows. Can you do something?
Watch out, would you?
Not sure what I'm supposed to do with this. I don't think I'm supposed to do anything with these. No. It's weird that you can put these out. I don't know. No, can't open. No open. Nothing. So yeah, there were so many Ghostbuster cartoons, and I think, you know, the Ghostbuster cartoons with like a talking gorilla or something. They were called the Ghostbusters as well. And because when the movie came out and they wanted to make the animated series, they couldn't because they didn't have the license for the name Ghostbusters. So that's why they called the show The Real Ghostbusters. That's why they call the show The Real Ghostbusters. But I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I don't get it. Help. Yeah, the orange hair guy. The orange hair guy was, I think, was Ray. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I honestly don't know. What am I missing? Whoa. Oops. So confused right now. Hey, Lucy retweeted me. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Alright, maybe I do this. Hold on. There we go.
Okay, good. Give me a few more, just to be sure.
There we go. My goodness, it takes you forever to figure this out.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
I'm not sure going underground now is a good idea.
Come on, Spangs. Getting there is the fun part.
Careful, this matrix is becoming increasingly unstable.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, but not that for an 8-year-old game, eh? Oh man, I don't like this statue. Something tells me he's gonna come to life.
Check that out.
That's our next
And
stop.
even this guy. Oh man, this doesn't look good.
Watched?
This does not look good.
What?
Please.
So open the museum gates. Is this the museum gate? Looks like it, eh?
Get ready. Same drill as before.
Hook me up again.
Okay,
I'll
same
take
drill as
care of it.
before. Okay, okay, okay,
Right,
okay.
the tethers.
Is that it? Okay, let's go.
Boom!
And
At least the tether's held. My fault. Miscalculated.
Winston!
It stopped for real.
Ecto 1.
She's tough, but she took that pretty hard.
Can you get her rolling again?
Nah, crickets. She's down for the count, guys.
I hate leaving her here like this.
I know it, Ray. This is definitely turning into
Oh,
a bad
hey, Gessie, welcome.
got to keep
I'm glad to hear that.
Guess we're walking from here.
I'm glad to hear that.
Some of us have been.
Get some rest, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out.
Keep your eyes peeled.
I think we've got guests.
Oh, there we go. Guests. There's my guests.
I think we're gonna wish we had that super sled.
At least it's all 4 of us now, and it's awesome. 5 of us. I keep forgetting there's me as well. I keep forgetting about me. It's not 4 Ghostbusters in this game, it's 5. There's me with them.
Look out!
Peter needs a
Above
medic.
you!
Alright, I'll just take care of people who get injured.
On the right. Hey,
Yeah, where are you?
Little help? Yo, little help?
Where are you, Ray? Peter? Oh, somebody revived
Come
him.
down here and say that.
Oh.
Get out of here. Give it to him.
I'm gonna try to catch the ghosts. You know, I'm gonna try to catch the ghosts.
That's trouble.
Fast.
Yow! Focus on the cultists.
So fast, I can't get him. Uh-oh, 2 are
This is
down. I need to be
fantastic.
careful.
It's like a monster match.
It's just 1 now. Okay, there he is. You're so fast. Oh man, once I catch you, I'm gonna have my revenge on you.
Look out!
Like
Above
this.
you!
I'm Get in there, buddy. Get in there. Yes! Get in there!
You own that place. Don't mess with me, man.
That's one. Where's the other?
My favorite
Oh, they got him
part
as well.
of this job.
Come to my trap, actually. I want you in my trap. I don't like that the columns fell. Why did the columns fall? There's another one. Okay.
Ow! That was ow there.
On your left.
Ooh, right in the breadbasket.
Identify the cultists and focus on them. Their combined willpower is protecting the mausoleum.
Oh, come on!
Oh yeah.
Did I get him? Yes, they got him at least without my help.
Close one. Look out! Above you!
So many of
Crossing
these.
streams is a very bad idea. Scan that.
There's another one over there.
Slime! How many times do I have to say it? Don't cross the stream.
He's turning around. Look, we're going around in circles. Oh, they got him. Get down here. Get down tonight. This way, up and down. And in the trap you go.
Jump out of the way.
Nice.
Focus on the cultists. What can unlock the gates?
The glowing indentations are obviously keyholes.
Oh, there we go. I knew it. I knew it. Ah!
Where are the keys then?
Don't destroy our vehicle, please. Wow. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try this. Yes, I'm freezing him.
Not much longer. Get out of here!
One is down.
Hold on there. Back to the next dimension.
Keep it coming! Ow! Find some cover! Get a full scan.
It's on your left.
There's no ghost up there. What are they shooting at?
Now that hurt.
It may be possible to harness their interdimensional cranial energy source.
Oh wow, they go in here? Hold on.
Hey, I'm on your side.
Whatever. Complaining. Are these the keys that go in there?
Come on, guys, let's put our heads together.
There we go, that's one.
The kid's on to something.
Has to be another one here somewhere. There it is. Boom. Like that. That's how it's done. So the Ecto 1 is down. Rip.
Way to go.
Great. Those fellas turned out to be pretty helpful.
This team can play, no doubt about it.
Exciting and somehow risky. Wait, it's Illusar.
It's Peck.
Can't we blast him? Just one's really hard. Nobody's gonna know.
Easy, Venkman. Everything points to Peck being a pawn.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
It's the mayor.
No, Ray, it's not. It's Ivo Shandor.
Shandor possessed the mayor, turned Peck on us to slow us down, and when we shut down his Mandela before he could get fully juiced, he hijacked our ghost out of the containment unit as an alternate energy source.
Very good. And they say you're the slow one.
Wait, what? Who says that?
Everybody. What's the girl have to do with it?
Taking her was necessary. To assume my own destructor form, I require blood. My blood.
What about Gozer? I thought you built this all for him.
I did, but he failed me. Twice. How he earned the title the Destroyer is beyond me. Anyway, I thought to myself, why worship a god when you can actually become one?
Slime him.
Okay, that's him. And a Shandor Breath of War like this by destroying these.
Let him have it! I said before and I'll say it again.
He's too powerful. It'll take all of our strength.
Hey, McKnight. One more GG. One more GG.
We've got to get through this shielding.
One more. One more GG. And we got this.
It's protecting itself.
There we go. I knew it.
Okay, step one.
Okay, Egon needs a medic. Where's my Egon? Egon! I'm coming, buddy!
That's it!
Oh, open! When he's down in health, these things open and restore his health. I noticed that. Come on. Come on! Oh, come on, Peter. You suck, Peter. Where's Peter?
Ow! On the right! Look out! Above you!
Okay, somebody help him up already.
Run! Run a full scan. Ooh, that's smart. Yeah, that's using your head, Junior.
Nice.
Nice work! Almost there!
Come on, somebody make it open. Seriously, I'm gonna have to do it myself.
Up.
Run!
Right, no.
Not a chance.
You're weakening it!
It's fading.
Nice.
Good idea!
Beat him down and get a
Capture stream, come on!
He's through! Now deactivate your pulse and we'll cross the streams with the blast function.
I can't shut mine down, Ray.
Me too. Me neither. I mean,
Who decided to reinforce these shoulder straps?
hey, Shandor, where's your destructor form now? Leave it in your other suit.
He dragged us into the other dimension.
Have chosen. I am the Destructor. I am the Architect.
Oh, was someone waking out of their nap?
Oh no.
That's very bad.
The architect?
That's not so scary. The contractor, that's who kills you.
Peter, you don't understand. He's the architect, and he controls Ghost World.
And he can come into our world. And what do architects do?
Well, they dream, and they have mechanical pencils, and they forget to put in linen closets.
I will pave over your fields to start anew. I will fill your seas with concrete and stone.
Show yourself, Shandor.
Whoa, take a break. Do you ever shut up?
Yeah. No! Listen!
I will pierce your world with girders of steel and panes of glass.
That's just mean supervillain threats, Ray. All those guys talk like that.
Whoa, there he is. Defeat Shandor's Destructor form. Okay, go after the other Ghostbusters for this. Don't get me. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There you are, surprise!
It's using shielding!
It's getting stronger!
Alright. Where are you?
It's on your left!
Keep it coming!
So this is the big boss.
Hey!
Blast it!
It's protecting itself!
Don't let it recharge! Keep it coming!
Oh, what's he doing?
Almost there! Hey, more trouble!
Come on, Shandor.
We've got to get through this shielding!
It's growing stronger!
Or is it going stronger? Oh, please. The other one. Destroy the other one!
Behind you!
It's coming this way.
On your left!
Light them up!
Back here.
Oh yeah! Keep it going!
It's using shielding!
It's getting stronger! Blast it! Sorry behind!
Whoa.
Stay on it!
Scan it!
Almost done. You're almost done. Oh no.
Give it to him!
It's protecting itself!
Don't let it recharge!
Not working.
Multiple contacts!
Find some cover!
Oh!
That's the stuff.
It's time!
Cross the streams.
Cross the streams! We gods for breakfast. I'm deactivating the cross-stream governor. I never thought I'd say this again. Cross the streams!
We eat gods for breakfast?
Too much, you think?
No, I liked it.
I've got you.
Get me down from here. Please,
New guy.
I'm begging you, let
Your
me
call.
down. This is not the last you will see of me.
The Ghostbusters. Hey, fellas. What are you doing here? What am I doing here? Where is here?
You were the victim of a trans-dimensional possession, Your Honor.
What's that mean?
An evil ghost was walking around in your body for a few months.
Whoa. Did anyone notice? Well, how's my approval rating?
Well, you got reelected.
By the way, you're a descendant of Shandor.
Yeah, I kinda got that. What? Venkman!
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
It's over! Oh, oh, so good. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. I need to find out how to give pants. How do I give pants? I need to do this. How do I give pants to people? How do I get the code of that person so that I can actually transfer pants? I want to transfer something. I want to see if I can do this. Because I'm curious. How is it done? How is this done? I'm so curious. Hold on, I'm gonna try something.
Looks like things are going to be a little slow around here for a while.
Which means we might be heavy by one too many.
Is this it?
Ghostbusters
Hold
in
on.
here.
Wait, you're not gonna fire him after everything he's done.
No, of course not. Lewis has been scouting locations, and I think we're prepared to offer a potentially lucrative Ghostbusters franchise in either Chicago, Los Angeles, or Cincinnati.
Ah, that's how it's done.
So, are you ready to
That says you
expand the
still
Ghostbusters
cabbage.
family on a semi-equitable basis and be your own boss?
And we're a very cool uniform.
Financing is available.
So, Cadet, what do you say?
There was some dialogue going on, but I couldn't hear it. So hold on. I'm gonna try something else. Hold on, try something else. Bear with me, guys. Hold on. Stay there. Stay with me, guys. Settings. Reward amount command. Hold on. Let me try something. Let me try something. I'm gonna try something real quick. So maybe it's the other way around. Is this how it works? Hold on. How do you do this? How does the reward command work? I don't know. I don't know. It says there's a reward command, but I don't know how to do it. Reward amount command. I don't get it. I'm sorry, I tried. I don't know how it's done. You know I still haven't ended the stream. I want to listen to the Ghostbusters theme song. I deserve it. I've played for a very long time. I deserve the theme song. Give command. Alright, balance command to check balance. Reward. Why is reward not working? Reward? Does anybody know what I'm doing wrong? Reward 100. Try that. Maybe reward 100 and maybe the username. Hold on. Like that. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't like this song. I want the other song. Come on, give me the Ghostbusters theme song. But unfortunately I won't be able to sing along to it because because there's a delay. Let me try to disable it and re-enable it again. I don't know. Save. Save. It didn't play. The whole thing ended. We didn't get to listen to the song. That's not fair. We didn't get to listen to the song. That's not fair. You can't reward it. No, I can reward as many pants as I want. Wesker did it. What's this? Extras. Art. Videos. Oh, but this is the same thing again. No. No, I didn't skip the song. No, I didn't skip it. Videos. Oh, this is just the... Oh, look at this. Behind the scenes. Oh, look. Rip Harold Ramis. You want to watch this? I don't know how it works. Let me see. Let's watch. Hold on. Is there anything else? Promotional video, trailer, bonus. I don't know why there's this year one trailer here. I don't know what that is. It's like a documentary or something.
Don't cross the streams. Why? It would be bad.
Total protonic reversal. All right, that's bad. Okay. All right, important safety tip. Thanks, Egan.
You know, Ghostbusters was kind of unusual in that it was one of the first epic scale comedies.
If there's a steady paycheck in it, I'll believe anything you say.
You know, we did 2 movies.
I have
We
a shirt
spent,
just like that.
Almost a year, you know, all told working.
Okay, Gideon, thank you so much for hanging out. Is this gonna give me a copyright strike?
Hello, Ghostbusters.
The way Dan described the Ghostbusters, it was we were like Orkin Man, and we were no more impressed by these apparitions and manifestations than you would be by
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it. I don't want to risk
roaches
this.
in your kitchen.
I may have already risked it. Hold on. I cannot stop it.
How's it going now?
You have the
I cannot stop it. I better stop it. I don't want to risk this. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go. No, it's not disabled. It says it's enabled. I don't know why it's not working. I'll investigate. I'll investigate. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat something, actually. It's 11:24 p.m. If Guardians of the Galaxy Episode 2 comes out in about half an hour or something, I'm gonna be back. The next game I'm gonna stream is Guardians of the Galaxy. If it comes out at midnight, I'm gonna stream it. If it comes out at 3 a.m., I'm gonna stream it. If it comes out at 7 a.m., I'm gonna stream it. Definitely. Thank you everyone for hanging out with me. You guys are awesome. I appreciate that. And I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye.